When you hear that a property is an FCDA approved property or that this land is an FCDA land, what does it mean? In this video, I'm going to explain to you what an FCDA approved property means, or when people say this land is an FCDA approved land, what it really means. The essence of this video is to help you buy right. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. First, what's the meaning of an FCDA? FCDA simply stands for Federal Capital Development Authority, and this is one of the agencies responsible for planning and developing the Federal Capital Territory. In simple terms, FCDA ensures that Abuja develops according to the master plan. They are the ones in charge of this. Now, what does FCDA approved mean? When people say a property is FCDA approved, they usually mean that this property falls within a government recognized layout and it conforms to the Abuja master plan. It is not in the government acquisition area, and this property does not violate the intended use of that particular area. FCDA approval is about conformity to the Abuja master plan. But sometimes many people think that FCDA approved is a title document. It is not, and that is what I'm going to also explain to you. Instead, here are the documents that people refer to as title documents. First is the FCDA Right of Occupancy, which is FCDA R of O. Two is the FCDA C of O, which is FCDA Certificate of Occupancy. And the third one in this case is the Letter of Intent. These are different documents with different purposes, which it serves especially here in Abuja. The important thing is understanding what document the property actually comes with. Always pay attention to these details so that you don't confuse FCDA title documents with what is known as building approval. That's another story for another day. A land may have a valid title, but that does not automatically mean that the building approval has been obtained. Another case is that you can also have a building approval and it does not automatically mean that the land title or the title of that land is correct or perfect. A good title and a building approval does not mean the same thing. They are different. And why FCDA approved property always attracts buyers, people who understand this, and what are the importance of FCDA properties? People often prefer FCDA approved properties because one, the land aligns with Abuja master plan. Two, the infrastructure is easier to provide because the government is involved. Thirdly is the road networks are planned and thoroughly done. The fourth one is that the development is more organized. The fifth one is that the risk of future government issues is significantly reduced, so there's no form of demolition or whatsoever. That being said, it makes that a lot of buyers buy with confidence when it comes to FCDA properties. Here's the common scam a lot of people also fall for. A document is not genuine because it looks genuine. It's genuine because it can be verified. You can take that document and verify it from the right source. How can you verify FCDA documents here in Abuja? Before making payment, here are things you have to do to verify that FCDA property or FCDA approved property. First, ask for the allocation reference number. Second, verify the records through the appropriate FCDA channels or ages as the case may be. Third, match the ownership details. Sometimes the person on the document may not be the person that is selling to you, so get clarity on that. Confirm the location of the property, confirm the name of the document. These are simple things, but it's something that is always necessary you have to do. And ensure everything matches. Why do you have to do all this? An unverified allocation can create problems later, and you don't want to lose your hard-earned money investing in a property right here in Abuja. Ownership disputes can come up, documentation challenges can come up in the future, transfer issues can also come up. Ensure that the person selling wants to sell, all right? Or worse still, discovering the property was never properly allocated in the first place. That is a lot of things that literally makes people lose their hard-earned money right here in Abuja. These few things you can do can save you from losing your hard-earned millions right here in Abuja. If you've watched this video up to this very point and you found value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I believe strongly that whenever you hear FCDA approval or FCDA approved property, you now have a clarity on what it means. Ensure that the property can be verified any day, anytime. If you're looking to buy properties right here in Abuja and you need help buying the right property suitable for you, do not forget or hesitate to reach us on the number showing on your screen. We can help guide you through the process of buying verified properties right here in Abuja. See you in our next video, and bye.